So the MapView platform is seeing 3 new features that we're working on. The first feature is a tool that will allow the import of shape files, which are basically GIS polygon shapes. It could be around a flood zone, it could be around an industrial estate. They can now import that data into the MapView platform and be able to assess the amount of exposure that they have in those areas. So if you take a flood event, for example, you can get the latest flood outlines from JBA, import them into the MapView platform, and then it will give you an instant exposure to that flood event. You'll also be able to see which properties where claims may be on that are outside the flood event. So you could see that this claim might be not related to that particular flooding event because it's outside of the flood polygon. So this tool is giving the platform a bit more sort of GIS type functionality and capability. The second area is that we're implementing a tool that allows the elevation profile between the address you're interested in and the nearest river center line. So you get a view of the topography between that location and the nearest river, and then you can sort of draw those profiles out and basically get a better assessment of the level of risk in conjunction with your flood model data. And then the third area, for those customers who provide their policy data within the MapView platform, we can provide a summary of their exposure at any given time. So we can say 4% of your book is at this level of flood risk, 3% of your book is at this higher level of flood risk. So they can basically set strategies to manage that level of exposure. So they might set a goal that at the end of 2021, I want to be at 2.5% high flood risk, and they can then basically work to ensure that their level of exposure gets to that level.